Hey friends, if you wish to reset printer to default factory settings in Windows, then please watch this video. Right click on the start button, select settings, go to Bluetooth and devices, go to devices. Okay, now when devices appear, you'll have to check for printer. Okay, more devices and printer settings, and then you'll find the printer here. Right click on this one and then select remove device and then select remove device. This will remove the printer totally. So this is how you can remove the printer. Or but here's one more thing. You will also have an option through the settings of the printer application. So this is something for which you will have to contact the manufacturer. We will not be able to help you with that because there are so many printer brands: Epson, Canon, HP, and also this is something for which you will have to contact the brand of your printer. But this is one way you can remove the printer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.